Okay, now that Affinity is free, let's download it for Mac OS. So you're going to want to go to the link I put in the description, which is affinity.studio/en/download. But as I said, you can just click the link. And then we're going to click download for Mac OS. And downloading it for Windows, it's going to be pretty similar. You just click download for Windows. Now, click this and click save. I already did this because the download is going to take a while. At least it did for me. Depends on how fast your internet is. So I'm going to click this, and what you can do is just drag this into the application folder. Now we're just going to wait for this to complete, and we're going to go into apps. We can see it here, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to launch it and check it out. If you want to see that video, I'll have it linked after this video. I'm just going to go over some features, over my first impressions now that it has been merged into one application. And yeah, I'll just see what comes to mind. Now, and to complete this final step, we're going to go here and log in with our Affinity, not Affinity, with our, Canva account. We don't need this. Thanks. Don't agree to that. Don't want to see the tutorial. Okay, and everything from here on out is going to be part of the first impressions video, which, as I said, is also going to be linked here or down below in the description.